to learn about fossils and extinction today. So our objective today is I can explain what a fossil is and name one fossil type. So we got to remember that when we're going through our lesson. This is what we want to know by the end of science today. I'll put it back over here. I just didn't think you could all see it. I wrote a little small. Just look at the first page of your packet, the new packet that I just handed out. That could be confusing if you guys already had a packet. The first thing on this packet is the word phenomenon. Can you guys all say that? Phenomenon. It's kind of a big word. So phenomenon. This model shows an organism that has not existed on Earth for thousands of years. And the first thing that we want to do is, what questions do we have about this phenomenon? Or what do you notice about this picture? Raise your hands and tell me what you notice about this picture. Ari.
That this animal kind of looks like an elephant.
That it kind of looks like an elephant. Okay. Let's write kind of looks like an elephant. Remember Miss Jones's rules. It applies to me too. If I write it,
you write it. I can't see it very well.
Okay, I'll move my hand. Miss Goodwin's left-handed and I sometimes cover up.
I'm left-handed too.
You are?
Hi.
Remember, Ari said it kind of looks like an elephant. Kind of looks like an elephant. Miss Goodwin's fault. Sorry. Elephant. What else do you notice about this picture? Carrington. It has big tusks. It does have big tusks. What else do you notice, Braxane?
What they eat.
What they eat. You notice what they eat from this picture?
No, he has that question. What do they eat?
Oh, that's a question that you have? Okay. Let's write that question. What do they eat? Do they eat? One more. Eleanor.
Where would the animal live if it was still alive?
Oh, okay, that's a great question. Where would this animal live if it was still alive? I'll move my hand in a second, sorry. Would the animal live if it was still alive? You guys see it? You can't see it? Did everyone write those? Do you need more time?
Yeah, we
Okay.
need a little.
Okay. You can't see it? Okay.
It is too small.
Where would the animal live if it was still alive? When you're finished writing, put your pencils down so I know that you're done. Please. You're still writing. Try to finish up. finishing their writing. Pencils down and eyes on me when you're done. Please, so I can know that you're all done. Alina, are you done? What do you? Okay. Now, can we all open our books to page 48 and 49?
I already did.
Already did.
Yes.
48 and 49.
You said you could just show because of the picture.
I'm going to read these 2 pages, and then when we get to the next pages, we'll do it taking turns.
It looks like the picture in the background.
Boys and girls, 3, 2, 1. Voices off. Look at me when you're on page 48 and 49. Okay. You're on page 48 and 49. That's perfect. That's what page I want you to be on. 48 and 49. In this chapter, the vocab words that they want us to focus on are endangered, extinct, and fossil. Just think about those while you're reading, and then you'll probably see them throughout the chapter. They'll be in these blue font. I'm going to start reading, but I want everyone to point and follow along. If I look up, I should see your fingers pointing to where I'm at. Most organisms that have lived on Earth died a long time ago. How do scientists, I'm going to read these 2 pages myself. I know that's a little different. How do scientists learn about them? They study fossils. There are many types of fossils, and scientists study them to learn about many extinct species, like dinosaurs. Scientists have learned what dinosaurs looked like and how they behaved. I'm still going to read this page myself, but I want you all to follow along just like you've been doing with your fingers. Extinction. Have you ever seen a Tyrannosaurus Rex? Of course not. These dinosaurs no longer exist. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs lived all over Earth. But a sudden change in their environment killed most of the dinosaurs. The T-Rex is extinct. An extinct species has no living members. There's one of our vocab words. Many kinds of plants and animals that once lived on Earth are now extinct. Organisms can go extinct very quickly. Every day, some species go extinct. Some organisms start to die when their environment changes. When not many of them are left, their species is now called endangered. It's one of our vocab words. Endangered means they are in danger of going extinct. If the members of an endangered species keep dying faster than they reproduce, the species might go extinct. You have a question?
Yes,
Is it a comment or a question?
A question. If it's like the dinosaurs don't like reproduce, they keep do they keep dying every time?
Yep, exactly. That's what that would mean. So now, if we go into packets and we open up our first page and we look under extinction. In our packets on the first page and we look under extinction. I'll zoom it in a little. Eyes on me when you're on the page, technically page 2, but under extinction. When you have your packets opened, put your eyes on me. as dinosaurs are extinct. Why do you think that some kinds of organisms might become endangered or go extinct? So, kind of like you guys just do with the Frindle packet, you may want to look back into your text and think about looking in the text for that answer. So our question wants us to answer is, why do you think that some kinds of organisms might be endangered or go extinct? Well, I remember that on page 49, it said that, have you ever seen a Tyrannosaurus rex? Of course not. These dinosaurs no longer exist. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs lived all over Earth. But a sudden change in their environment killed most of the dinosaurs. So, we could go back and we could say they go endangered or extinct because of a sudden change in the environment. If I write it,
You write it.
a sudden change in the, oops, can you not see it?
No.
Okay.
We can't just. I think
Okay, I'll zoom out. A sudden change in the environment. We're going to write that just where I wrote it. Under the first question, under extinction. A sudden change in the environment. When you're finished writing, you can put your pencils down and look at me so that I know we're ready to go on. Did you write it? Sudden change in the environment. Pencils down and look at me when you're done. I don't see everyone's eyes on me. How would I know if you're done? I don't want to move on if you're not done. Alina, it's Miss Griffin's turn to talk, not yours. Okay, thank you. You good, Brody, or do you need it a little longer? Okay. While we're reading, you can go on to the next page in your books. Let's turn to page 50 and 51.